Hello, and welcome to our presentation. Today we will analyze the TD Bank. Here's our group information. In our group, we have Xiaodu, Sherry Wang, Rick Zhen, and Xu, Harry Yu, Zhao Ziqiao, Daniel Chen, Ke Wang. We separate our presentation in 10 parts. Let's go!
Hello everyone, here is Rick Zhen, and I want to talk about the backgrounds of TD Bank. Well, TD Bank, also known as TD Bank Group, is a Canadian multinational banking and financial service corporation headquartered in Toronto, Ontario. The bank was founded in 1855 as the Bank of Toronto, and later merged with the Dominion Bank in 1955 to become the Toronto Dominion Bank. TD Bank has since grown into one of the largest banks in Canada and a significant presence in the United States, with over 85,000 employees and serving over 26 million customers worldwide. The bank offers a range of financial products and services, including personal and commercial banking, wealth management, insurance, and investment banking. TD Bank is known for its customer service and innovative products, such as its mobile banking app and online banking platform.
I'm Annette. I will introduce TD Bank SWOT analysis. This is Strength Park. First one, strong market share. TD Bank is a leading company in the industry and is thriving in the market. TD Bank is the 23rd largest bank in the world and is ranked 11th among the top 100 bank brands in the world. The second is good brand reputation. The third is reliable suppliers. The fourth is strong distribution network. This is weakness part. First one, low investment for the new technology and products. More investment in the new technology and products is in need. Given the size of the expansion and the different regions, the company plan to expansion to products to fully integrate process. The third is imperfect customer privacy system. The third is lack of cash flow. This is opportunities part. First one, expansion of new customer base. In the coming years, company may take advantage of this opportunity to better understand its customer and meet their needs through large-scale data analysis. Secondly is developing new technologies and products. Third is opportunity to gain new products share. This is red parts. First one, competitors' technological advance. New technological advance by a few competitors in the industry pose a threat to TD Bank. As customers attracted by this new technology may switch to competitors, thus reducing TD Bank's overall market share. The third is lack of regular supply of innovation products. The third is currency exchange rate fluctuations.
Hello everyone, let me talk about PESTEL analysis. TD Bank has faced challenges and opportunities in recent years in 6 aspects: political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental. The government's strict regulation of the banking industry pose higher demands on TD Bank's business and operations. The Canadian economy is performing well, but the trade war between the US and China and COVID pose certain challenges. The development and the spread of digitalization provides TD Bank with more opportunities. Next, Canada's populations are getting older, and TD Bank needs to consider the needs of the middle-aged and elderly. In terms of saving business, Canadian regulations are more strict, and TD Bank needs to strictly comply with the law. TD Bank also needs to be sensitive and proactive to environmental issues. Overall, TD Bank needs to make appropriate changes to seize these opportunities to ensure the company's operations. Next will be introduced by my partner, Sherry Wang.
Here's Sherry. After analyze the past of TD Bank. In this part, I will introduce some product of TD Bank by using the BCG model. The brand strategy business unit is a star in BCG model of TD Bank. TD built an effective enterprise data management policy, and this is also the product that generates the greatest sales among its product profile. The potential within this market is also high as customers are demanding and similar types of products. Now, the next part, I want to introduce the cash cow of the TD Bank. The supplier management serves strategy business unit is the cash cow of the business model of TD Bank. TD also use effective enterprise data management policy. It has also been the operation for over decades, and also in the TD Bank group built an effective enterprise data management a significant amount in revenue. But there still have some problems TD need to meet. The local food strategy business unit is a culture marketing business model of TD Bank. People will pay more attention in this part, by the local food. So maybe TD needed to pay more investment in this part. And some products maybe TD need to give up, like significant profile products, cause TD has lost the money in this product for last 3 years. If they not give up it, then maybe they will lose more money in this part.
Hello, let me talk about financial statement analysis. We chose 3 factors in the ratio analysis to reach the following conclusions. First, TD Bank has been stable over the past 3 years in terms of its debit cover ratio. Also, the ratio changed, but the overall trend remained at a high level, indicating the company's ability to service its debits, principal, and interest. Secondly, the current ratio has increased year by year in the past 3 years, especially in 2022 when the current ratio exceeded, which means that the company's current assets has been enough to cover its short-term debits, and the company's liquidity has been improved. Finally, net profit margin has been stable over the past 3 years, with change but overall remaining at a high level. In particular, TD Bank's net margin improved in 2021 compared to last year, indicating improved profitability. Generally speaking, TD Bank's financial position is relatively stable in terms of debit cover ratio, liquidity ratio, and net profit margin. Why does this happen will be discussed by George.
Hi everyone, this is George. Now I will tell you in the past how did Canada financial systems affect the TD Bank. Now I will tell you a sentence. Enhanced digital religion requires better data protection and privacy at the TD Bank. What is this sentence means? It means it is a system that highlights the importance of data protection and privacy in the banking sector. It suggests that TD Bank needs to improve its data protection and privacy policy to comply with enhanced digital religions. The system implies that TD Bank recognizes the need to enhance its data protection and privacy policy to comply with digital religions. This is a positive step toward ensuring that customers' data is secure and private, and it also helps maintain customer trust in the bank. In the past, the Canadian government has implemented a series of banking regulatory policies aimed at ensure the sound operation of bank and protecting the interests of bank customers. TD Bank must also comply with this regulatory policy to ensure their legitimacy and reputation in the Canadian financial market. In addition, the Bank of Canadian monetary policy formulation has also had an impact on TD Bank. The control bank affects the entire financial market, including the operation and profits of banks through measures such as adjusting benchmark interest rates and regulations the money supply. The implementation of this policy has had an impact on the business and development of TD Bank.
Now I'm going to talk about Nowadays, how did Canada's financial system affect TD Bank? I will introduce insurance system. Canada's deposits insurance system is conducive to TD Bank's stable operation because it provides insurance coverage of up to 100,000 Canadian dollars for customers of financial institutions. This means that if TD Bank encounters problems that result in customer losses, CDIC will compensate customers, which helps to ensure TD Bank's customer confidence and stability. Second, TD Bank is one of Canada's second largest insurance companies. TD Bank, through its subsidiary TD Insurance, offers a wide range of insurance products and services in Canada, including home insurance, travel insurance, and life insurance, and more. TD Insurance is reported to be the number 2 market share in Canada, with 15.8% of the market.
In the future, Canada's inflation rate will gradually fall to normal levels. This will have many implications for TD Bank. The rate of inflation lower to cause a decline in lending rates, thereby reducing the income of the bank. The rate of inflation down may lead to the fall in the value of the assets because of the low rate of inflation will slow to lead to the growth of asset price, even stagnation. Low inflation may lead to a stable economic environment, thus reducing the risks of the bank. Lower the rate of inflation could lead to people's willingness to spend is EBIT, so there may be more people to keep their money in the bank instead of spending. Canada's rate cuts policy is coming to fruition, which will have an impact on TD Bank in the future when the central bank to implement policy of lower interest rates. Banks' lending rates also decreased, resulting in a decline in bank lending margins. Banks pay depositors' rates tend to decline, resulting in a decline in bank deposit margins. As the central bank to implement policy of lower interest rates, bank depositors of profitability and may cause them to put money to invest in higher yielding other products. Falling interest rates policy can encourage borrowers to increase demand of loans.
Hello, I'm Xia. Let's talk about what TD Bank can do. From a broad view, TD Bank, one of the core of the Canadian financial industry, already faced many challenges and opportunities. In order to increase its own competitiveness, TD Bank can take the following measures. First, innovation. As people's consumption habits and financial needs are changing with the rapid development of digital technology, TD Bank can meet customers' needs by developing new financial products and services. Secondly, to strengthen risk management. With the continued fluctuation and the increase of risks in the financial market, TD Bank can strengthen risk management by optimizing internal control mechanisms, establish the risk management systems, and improve employees' risk awareness to prevent various possible risks. Third, expand overseas markets. With the development of globalization, overseas markets have also become an important area for the development of the banking industry, and the TD Bank can expand overseas markets through mergers, acquisitions, joint ventures, and establishment of branches to enhance its international competitiveness. Fourth, strengthen digital transformation. With the advent of the digital era, the banking industry is also undergoing a digital transformation, and TD Banks can establish more complete digital channels and strengthen network security to improve customers' experience and market competitiveness. Overall, TD Bank has a strong base and will need to adapt to change in the financial markets and catch opportunities for progress now and in the future. Here's our reference. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment sections. Thank you for watching these videos. And if you enjoy our videos, please give it a thumbs up. We're looking forward to see you again. See you soon. Bye bye.